Welcome guys to the seniors, and in today's video let us learn how you can be able to get to make your desktop look so cool. Not just your desktop, even your laptop. How can you be able to make such an amazing background as you can see on my screen? That background really looks amazing, but it all depends with you what look amazing before your eyes. So you can be able to create a background theme of what you love. Probably you love something like luxury house. Some people love something something else like the sports car, animals, rivers, that is trees, whatever you love. But whatever you love, you can be able to make that thing that you love as your background theme. How can you be able to create amazing background theme of what you love? That is customized background theme. How can you go about it? So it's a tactic. It's all depend with how you do it. Now myself, I'm going to introduce to you how I normally do it myself. What I normally do, I normally collect images, then compile those images together. Then from there, I can be able to use those images as background theme, and those images can run as slideshows. They can be switching as said like after a duration of like 10 minutes. After every 10 minutes, a new background. After every 10 minutes, a new background switches. So how can you be able to achieve that, and where can you be able to get these images? So how do you go about it? Let's get started. So all you need to do, you just need to have your browser. Visit your browser, and in your browser, for example, if you love something like super yachts, so you just need to search for luxury super yachts, and search. Then from there, the moment you just Google, when you Google luxury super yachts, just click images so that you can have a list of images that you can go to choose from. Let me click images so that we can download, we can go to save some of the images that really look amazing before my eyes. I don't know about you. So if you love super yachts, so just go to your browser and download some images on super yachts like this. This really look amazing. It's a luxury super yachts. So just to save this image. How can you save this image? So just right click on your screen and click save. Right click onto your screen, that is right click on the image and click save. Then click save that image. We can look for another image. For example, you can see this a super yacht. That is the interior of a super yacht. This is one of this is the interior of a super yacht. So just right click and click save. Right click and click save, and we have already saved that image. We can look for a different image like this one. It's really amazing. So I'm not going to download a lot of images. I'm just going to download about 5 because this is just for a demonstration. Then for your case, you can download as many as you want. So just right click and click save. So that is enough for the super yachts. If I love something like sports car, if you love something like the sports car, you just need to Google luxury sports car. Luxury sports car. If you love something like a pet, like a cat, you just need to Google cats. Then from there you can just download the image that pleases you, that you can be able to use on your background as your background theme. And here are a list of, I can see there are list of vehicles. For example, there is one which they have this one. So it says golden. Can just download this one. It's really look amazing. So you just need to select the image, right click and save. Can download one more like this one. Let me look for one. I love red. Can just download this one. So just right click and click save image. So far we have been able to download 2 items, that is luxury house and sports car. So we can download something else like that is luxury beach. That is it's luxury beach. Let me call it just coastal beach. Luxury coastal beach. So just click images. Then you can be able, you select a few images, for example like this image. It's really look amazing. Wait for it a few seconds to load. It's okay now. Then click save. Let's download another image like this one. It look nice. So you can download as many as you want, but for my case I'm just going to download just a few. So depending on the item that you want, if it is a beach, if it is some pets, just Google that item, then download. Then after you download, now let's proceed to the next step and show you how you can be able to create a slideshow for those images, so that your background themes, that is your background themes, what you have played as your background theme can be automatically switching after a given period of time, depending on what you set. You can set 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour. It's all depend with you. So let me first of all, let us visit the folder that I have just saved those downloads, and they are in the download folder. Then we'll highlight all these images. We highlight those images and save them in the same, that is in the same folder. Let me cut them. So let me create a new folder. That is, just right click, go to new, then go to folder. Then we can rename this folder as the seniors, like that. Then we can open that folder and paste all these images here. And we have saved the images. So now the next step, now we need to create slideshow for those images. How do you go about it? So either you are using Windows 10 or you are using Windows 11. That is how you correct those images. But now how you do it in order to create slideshows for those images, that is now in the Windows 11 system. Now that is where the difference comes. For this video, I'm going to do for Windows 11. In the next video, I'll do for Windows 10. This is Windows 11. So just click this Windows 11 start button, then go to settings. In the settings, we need to visit personalization. It's just here. Just click personalization, and when you click personalization, you need to go to background. This one, double click. Then in the background, we have there is an option you can go to navigate and down and select the folder which you want to which you have saved all those images. So you can check here, choose a picture album for a slideshow. So you just need to click browse and navigate to where you have saved those images. So in the browse, then we can select the seniors. This is a folder that we have saved all those images. Then choose. Then immediately the system will automatically switch your background, and you can see my background has already been changed. I can switch between you. If you want to switch, for example, you want to switch the next background. So all you need to do is just click onto your screen and go to next desktop background, and you can see these are some of the images that you have downloaded. They really look amazing. So it all depends with what pleases you. If you have cats, you can just download cats and create slideshow for cats. Go to the next. This is really amazing. So you can be able to switch. You can be able to create different background. You can be able to create backgrounds in Windows 11. Then all you need to do is just create a folder, then download those images, place them in that folder. Like now in this case, in case I need to update there are some of the images that I don't want them to appear in my background. All I need to do is just go to that folder that I have saved all these images and go and delete them from that folder, and they will not show up on my desk, on my desktop background theme screen. So in case there are some that you need to add onto your screen, so all you need to do is just go download or have those images, save them into that folder, and they will appear on your screen. That is during the slideshows. You can see these are some of the images that we had been able to save. And that's all we have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, so that we can have some more energy to keep creating more content for you guys. That's all we have for today. Goodbye.